Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Guys, today I will show with you how to use Boots Advantage card online. So guys, after registered your click on register. As you can see, if you don't have account on Boots, and click register here as a customer and fill this information. Guys, as you can see here, choose your title, your first name and your email and password. After that, guys, go to the service. After login, create account, and you can shop easily with these Boots online. As you can see here, you can click shop any you want to do. And after that, guys, choose this here, add to basket, and click checkout if you want to check out. And you can use your card easily here. After you log into your account and check out this, click continue. This is how you can do, guys. I click your details, fill details, your name and phone, and click your gift payment here. As you can see here, confirm details and click payment. As you can see here, this is how you can do, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content.